Guys, so it is Tip Tuesday, and I want to show you just a real fun tip that when I shared it with the clubhouse the other day, I noticed some people were like very surprised that this was an option. And it's been an option for a while. But, you know, I have to stop assuming that everyone knows everything about Canva, you know? so, okay, so I have these. I'm just using this for an example. So, my Instagram this month is different colors. So, these were this right here. These images weren't really going with my other social media images that I created, and so I was like, oh, so I want to change up the colors. Now, I mean, I could just grab the colors and put them in, but you want to see a simple, easy, and fast way to do it. Okay, so here you have the image. Grab any photo, doesn't matter. If you like a photo that has all the, like these, this is my image, I want all these colors, or I want to use these colors, stuff like that. So, um, I did a video on this a long time ago too. So let me show you. I'm just going to bring in one of the social media posts that I'm going to be doing this month, and then I'll show another way. Okay, so I have the image that is my. See, these two kind of, they didn't go together in my feed, and I'm kind of weird like that. So I need to change these up a little bit. So here's my image. I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to go up to the three dots, and I'm going to say apply colors to the page. So watch this. So it applied the colors, but I was like, yeah, I don't really like that. That's pretty boring. So then you go and you do it again until you find the combo that you want. And it goes for a couple times here. I'll probably do that. That's probably what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go, let's see here, move this. Okay, so then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm just going to pick that color. And then it says down here, change all colors. Yes, let's change all colors. Now this, um, let's see here. This is effects. We're going to go here, and let's see here. What color? It was like a gray color. I mean, that works. Would any of my... Let's do that. I kind of like that. Okay. And then over here. And then oh, wait, that's not. Hold on. Back up. Okay. I did it wrong. Effects. And since it is an effect, I don't think I can change it throughout the whole thing. I'll probably just change it. But to be very honest, the yellow looks just fine. Yeah, I probably don't need to change it. So there, that is it. So let's do this again. Okay, so you can see. Let's go ahead and let's pick this photo. Do I? No. Okay. Sorry, just trying to move myself around here. Do I want to, let's try this one. This one has some really cool colors in it. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to go up to the three dots and I'm going to go apply colors. Okay, I don't mind that. And then apply colors. Ooh, yes. Apply colors. I don't mind that either. Eh. Okay, so as you can see, it will do that. And then we'll go to the next one. Let's do that. Okay, so that changed them all up too. So I think it doesn't change this because it's up here as an effect. Okay, but that's okay. It's perfectly fine. So that is the simple way to change some colors. So if you, like I said, if you ever come across a photo that you really love, you're like, I want those colors, then you just go in there and click on the three, like bring your photo in just like this, click on the three, go all the way down to apply colors, and bam. Okay, there you go. So hopefully that helps you, and you can use this with anything. So there you go. Thank you.